Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the fave icon to your website. So to add your fave icon to your website, you need an image that I'm going to be using. So I already have an image that I'm using here. So if you come to my website, so I have an image here, this fave icon image, that's what I'm going to be using. So you have to make sure that the image you're using is not less than 90 by 90 pixels. So you have to make sure that you have to make sure of that. So to make sure that we have our image is not lesser than 90 or 90 by 90 pixel, what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and check it by clicking on it and going to and opening it with our let me right click on that again. So let's click on this and open it with our paint. So the paint is basically actually a Windows utility software which you can use to edit any picture. So I'm going to go ahead and use it to open my picture right now. So open with I'm going to go with paint. So we're going to go to resize ribbon that we have here now. So in the resize now I have go to my pixels. I have 500 by 500 on this my image. So I'm going to go ahead and okay, let's put this to like 200 by 200 if you want. So I'm going to go put this to 200 by 200. Resize that, and then I'll go ahead and save it. So go to my file and go ahead and save image. So I've already saved that to my image here. So if I go ahead and look at this, you see I have dimension 200 by 200 dimension. So that's that. So the next thing we need to do is open our VS Code, which I already have my folder opened on. I already have my folder open on my VS Code. So you go ahead and open your own folder there. So the next thing we need to do is come up to your HTML file where you have the head section. So you go ahead and so we're going to be using the link you're going to be using link to be able to embed that our Pave icon to our website. So I'm going to use link. So the link is going to be calling out Pave icon. So go to my Pave icon instead of CSS. I'm going to go to Pave icon. So Pave icon. Then it's going to open up all of this I need here. So the first one there is the rel. So this one names a relationship between the linked document and the current document. So basically what we just need to do here is just change this to icon. So we don't need to do much. So just change it to icon. The next thing we need to do, the next one we have there is the href. So the href is where we're adding the address of what we're actually trying to put in there. So the address of the image I'm trying to put in here, I'm just going to go ahead and put that there. So I'm going to put that as fave icon favicon.jpg. That's the link to the image I want to add there. The next one we have there is the type. So the type of whatever you're bringing in. So what I'm bringing in is an image and is a JPG image. So I can just go ahead here and change it to JPG. JPG. So JPG. So you go ahead and change it to JPG image. Then I'll go ahead and load this to my browser. So go ahead and load this to my browser. And if you look here, you can see that our fave icon is now showing here. Okay guys, that's how you can add your fave icon to your website. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this. See you guys in the next video.